Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today I'm in USA and I'm at a gas station. I'm gonna show you how you can fill up gas here. Same process as Canada, so make sure you watch it till the end. First of all, open your gas tank. So in my Nissan Sentra, this is the key but to open, but it could be different in your car too. Okay, next come and just open it. We can open this later. Now here is the pump. Okay, first of all, a lot of people do mistake that they put diesel instead of gasoline. So whichever fuel your car runs on, make sure you focus on that. So you see this green, it's for diesel. This black is for gasoline. So I'm gonna go for gasoline. Okay, so I'm at Get Go gas station. Just follow the prompt. It's pretty simple. Do you have a loyalty card? No. I'm just visiting US. So insert the payment card or scan a gift card. Okay, so I'm gonna insert my card here. I'm ready to insert. I'm gonna insert. Okay, now press the enter code, and then on this machine you see this enter button. You're gonna press that. Okay, I can remove the card now. Would you like to purchase a car wash? No. Dispenser is ready. So this is the dispenser. Take it and the grade you want. So I'm gonna select 87. Okay, now come back to your car and open this knob. Once you open, just put it inside and press. You can see it is moving. Okay, as soon as it is done, it will stop it. At some gas stations you prepay a certain amount and then it goes, like you have seen in Canada. But here in this gas station there is no prepay amount set, just they have hold on your card while it is being filled up. So you can keep an eye also. And here it's in money you pay in US dollar, and the gallon is the unit they use. Okay, once it is done, you hear a stroke. Don't fill over gas, it could be disastrous. Put it back here. Okay, transaction complete. Printer is offline because so you can go inside and get, otherwise you will get here. Okay, now come back, lock it up, lock it. So you're all good to go. So this is how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.